Investing can be tricky, and while there is a lot of advice out there on what to do, there is not enough information on what not to do. That's where we come in. Today, we are going to share with you the top 7 things you should avoid doing when managing your money and growing your wealth. We will also give you a formula for wealth creation, and in the bonus section, some tips on how to avoid stress when markets are down. Let's dive into these 7 don'ts and manage your personal finance well. Hi folks, I am your host Jitendra Shrivastav. Since the last 20 years, we are a team of independent financial planners and strategists for wealth creation based in Dubai, UAE. This channel is part of our mission to ensure basic financial awareness for every individual at no cost. It is said that sometimes don'ts are more important than do's. Studies have shown that just by avoiding some undesirable but tempting financial actions can result in adding wealth by up to 35% of your income every year. So, here are the 7 most important things not to do when it comes to personal finance. First, don't give in to impulsive buying. Just say no. Before making a significant purchase, ask yourself if you really need it. A pro tip for you is, if you can delay a buying decision by 30 days and you still have the same need and urge to buy, then go ahead. Otherwise, shelve it. Second, don't buy just because something is on sale. 2 friends had an interesting conversation about a sale. The first friend said, "Don't miss that sale with a 60% discount. You can save a lot if you go there." The second friend replied, "If I go to the sale, I'll save 60%. But if I don't go, then I'll save 100%. This was on lighter side. We know that sale can be a great opportunity to save money, but only if you were planning to buy the items anyways. So, one should not buy just because a sale is going on, but only if you really need. Third, don't just save money. No, I am not saying that you should not save money, but only saving will not help. While it is important to save, your savings will decrease in value over time due to inflation. The only solution is, after saving, you need to invest your money for returns that are higher than inflation to ensure that your money is growing. Fourth, don't ask where to invest on social media groups. It is not a good idea to copy your friends' investment choices if you want to grow your wealth. Avoid making financial decisions based on information you find online. While free resources might seem helpful, it is recommended to seek professional expert advice from a paid financial planner who can give you personalized guidance. Remember that it's worth investing wisely to ensure your financial future is secured. Fifth, don't look for entertainment in investments. Mr. Warren Buffett once said that good investments would be a boring affair. As an investor, one should not look for fancy apps to invest money for daily monitoring the portfolio or comparing it with others. Individuals should take the time to research and develop an appropriate investment strategy that's tailored to their individual goals and risk tolerance. Sixth, don't invest all your money in fixed deposits, FCNR, or real estate. Diversification is the key to managing risk, and putting all your money in one type of investment puts you at great risk of experiencing losses. Additionally, such type of investments may take a longer time to convert into cash when you need the money. Seventh and last, don't forget to enjoy your life now. While it is important to save and invest, it is also important to live the present and enjoy life. Make sure you allocate a portion of your money every month to activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. We understand that these 7 don'ts may not be sufficient, so we have included an additional 50 don'ts in the video description for you to review. Feel free to take a look at those don'ts as well. Now let me share a smart investment formula with you. In this section, we discuss a formula to take you to a different level of wealth creation. I call this formula as don't show light to your new money. When your income goes up due to a promotion or change in job or a big order, plan to live with the same standard of living as you are living at present. Also, if you are expecting additional lump sum money like bonuses, then proactively plan to invest it at least 21 days before it arrives. Don't plan to invest it in buying something. Yes, you should live a better life, but if your goal is financial freedom, then remember, buying these things like car or new mobile won't help you in your wealth creation journey. With this, we move to the bonus section with tips to explore how to avoid stress and don't panic when markets are falling. When you see that your investment statement shows a loss, it doesn't necessarily mean that you have lost actual money unless you withdraw it. Just tell yourself that these are notional losses and not the real ones. If you have made a long-term financial plan with a professional help, there is no need to worry about short-term losses on your portfolio statement. Just remember the word notional and it will help you to stay calm and avoid stress. If you have any questions or need unbiased support, feel free to reach out to us using the contact information provided in our description. Please note that we are available by appointments only. You can send us a direct message through email, WhatsApp, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, Quora, Twitter, and TikTok. We are here to help you. Now in our segment, last but not the least, here is a simple financial quote for you. Good money management is not just about doing the right things, but also avoiding the wrong ones. Knowing what not to do can help you grow your wealth even faster. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give the thumbs up to our creative team. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for free to receive new videos regularly. Also, feel free to share the video link with your friends. In our videos, we explore the secrets of personal finance with simple explanation and easy to follow methods. We hope you find them helpful. Here are some selected videos for you to watch. Thank you for your time. Stay healthy and wealthy as a smart investor. We will see you soon.